I'm Austin Warren with Parallel Ag in the Missouri locations. Right here, I have the GC 1723 by Massey Ferguson. We consider it the Swiss Army knife of tractors. When you can get options like the front end loader on it, it makes it very versatile. You can put a skid steer attachment on the front, so you can have a lot of options there. Then you can also get the belly mower with it, and you can use it for mowing as well. And it comes with another option of getting a backhoe where you can trench in stuff, whatever you can think of, you can do it with it. The next thing that I really love about this GC by Massey Ferguson is just the comfort that it offers all around. First, you got your spring-loaded seat, so when you're going over anything that's rough, it's super nice to have, so your back's not hurting at the end of the day, at least as bad, hopefully. And it's got super simple operation. Here's your throttle, your controls for the loader, and just to drive it, all you have to do, put it in forward pedal, reverse pedal, super simple. It's not hard at all. Another thing that's really nice about these GCs by Massey Ferguson is the ease of serviceability. Right here, you just pop open your hood, which is metal, unlike some other competitors, and you can get your air filter right here, check your oil with the dipstick. I mean, super simple maintenance, super simple serviceability. And then also something that most people don't know is that the engine sits in backwards. So here's your radiator, so you're actually sucking air through here, clean air, so it's not the hot air that you're used to, and it's going to help keep you cool, unlike competitors.